Hello there, this is Charlie, just making a quick tutorial for you to show you how to install and make my scripts work in UDK. So I'm going to send you this zip. Go ahead and open it, pull over the folder. This just makes it so you don't have to unzip every time you pull off the folder. I'm going to go ahead and open that, and notice there is two different folders in here. There's a config folder and there's a prototyping folder. The config folder is just going to replace what's already there. The prototyping is my actual scripts, and we're just going to plug that in. Okay, so it can read it. Alright, so what we're going to do here is go ahead and open up a new browser window. Let me just say, if you don't have UDK already installed, you're going to go ahead at this stage install the March version of UDK. Once you do that, we're going to go into C, go to UDK, and this is my March install of 2011. So we're going to go ahead and go in there, and then we're going to go into the folder named UDK game. And there's that config folder I was talking about. We're going to go ahead and just replace it with mine. So select the whole folder and drag it over and click yes, and then replace all. Move and replace, but we're going to have to do this for the next 28 conflicts first. And I always click do this for all current items, even though it probably doesn't matter for this. And then click yes. Then we just got this other folder to take care of, and the scripts go in a different place. So we're going to back up into the March 2011 folder, and there's development up here. So we're going to go ahead and open this, and open source folder right here, and drag over the prototyping folder, and just go ahead and throw it in there. For you, this won't pop up because you don't have this yet. For me, I had to do that because I already had the folder. Alright, now we're done with that. Go ahead and close. And we're going to open up our UDK editor, the March 2011 again. When you open UDK, you're going to run into something like this. Scripts are outdated. Would you like to rebuild now? Go ahead and click yes. It'll pop up with this little console window, and when it's done running, it should have this pop up. I have some warnings because of a different folder. That's okay. So go ahead and just, it should say success, and if it says success, then that's fine. Go ahead and close that and reopen the UDK editor. Now, for your map, you're going to open up the map that you want to test this on. So I have my own that I've made here, which I've given the pretext PRO in all caps. That's to signify prototyping. And this just makes it so it works in game as well. But I could do it with any of these. So let me show you just like with the example map here. So pretend this is your map. Alright, so all we do to get this working is you go to View and World Properties. And you see down here there's a little pull down window, and it's set to none at the moment. But what we want is Pro Game, which is prototyping game, or the one I made to make this work. Okay? And we're just going to go ahead and close this window because it's not important anymore. And you would make sure your scene is built and all that jazz, but they usually are nice enough to make it so it's built for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and play the game and show you how this works. Alright, so now we've got, this level looks beautiful. Yours is probably just going to be a test thing. So what we're going to test is I'm going to push shift and it'll sprint. See on the left there, it tells me I'm sprinting, and actually you can see it running faster. And I've also got another test here, which is I've changed duck to control, so I can go ahead and test that. There we go, it's working. Yeah. There you go, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Alright, see you in class.